Hey, if you found this, it's not by accident. This is for the ones who've spent their whole life being the strong one. The one who held it down when no one showed up, who smiled when they wanted to disappear. You fed people because you remembered what hunger felt like. You gave grace because no one ever gave it to you. You did things to be the person you needed way back when. And I'm proud of that. But none of it filled the empty parts. What did was learning to love myself first. I stopped doing the work from fear, from trauma, from despair, and I started doing it from joy, from healing, and from love. That's what changed everything. Loving yourself isn't a reward, it's a revolution. One we have to be strong enough to start for ourselves. So keep going. It's not selfish to choose you, it's sacred. You've always been worthy of the love you give. And if you've been waiting for a sign, this is it. I love you. I'm proud of you. I'm waiting for you. Come home. And I promise, it's all the love and safety your inner child always needed.